Hello, welcome. Today I will show you how to draw a Garfield. Of course you have to start with the ears. Ear goes down to make a big cheek following the ear. We make the second ear. Now we do the details of the inside of the second ear. The details inside the first ear. We can immediately draw Garfield's other cheek, of course, which is very fat. The first eye, a large oval. While the second eye, a demi-oval, come and touch the first eye. You surely saw the subscribe up here. Please subscribe, it will help me for the channel. Now we have to draw the pupils. And the start of the cheek with the holes for the hairs. And the second start of the cheek with the holes for the hairs. And Garfield's little nose. We finish the right cheek. And we finish the left cheek. Here are the hairs, which are generally above the eyes of the cat, but Garfield with his morphology, little weird, it's like that. At the moment, I'm drawing the stripes of the tabby cat quite simply. It's a triangle effect. We start with a big line and we finish with a smaller line. Here's the shot. Of course, Garfield is an obese cat, so we are going there with nice big round shapes. The beginning of a paw that in our image Garfield will have his arms crossed, so the two paws cross. It is now time to draw the rest from Garfield's belly, and also his arm, and there it gives two arms just with this line. We make stripes. More stripes. We finish the stripes on the back, and now we prepare to draw the paws and the tail. So we draw a big line for turn the cat's tail. At the same time we make a paste, we add the tabby hairs since it's a tabby cat. It takes tabby hairs everywhere. We prepare the crotch, and the second dough we add some, of course. Here we are at the toes stage, given that Garfield is a cat with oversized paws. The toes will also be oversized. And this is what finishes the tracing with black pencil. Now let's move on to the color. I add yellow to make the cheeks and the jowls. Of course, Garfield is not just an orange cat, but his jowls are yellow. If you check carefully in your comics, it's exactly like that. Now stay to attack the color. Orange, not very complicated, it's everywhere, is a completely orange cat. It's important not to go beyond it in the eyes or even outside the drawing. I'm gonna speed up a little to save you a few minutes. And there it is, almost finished. And that's it. We must not forget the nose. For my part, I am going to draw a large oval to allow me to bring out the orange color of Garfield. Important to take an opposite color, so with a very dark purple, make the whole circle. I'm going to speed up a little to save you a few minutes. And here the drawing is now finished. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe, a little thumbs up, and share. See you next time.